Hello, people. Okay, that's the second. This is the third part of today. All this soda is making me feel cold and chilly, and man, I don't know how to handle it, man. Well, yeah, you like the faces I make? I make all kinds of faces today. Hey. Why are you being random today? I'm being random today. I don't care. So, now that I've begun all this, I can't quit. There's just one thing I gotta keep doing, and it's to keep going with the gases. The masses. Ugh. The masses. The masses. Or us. Or us. I did not say that. I did not say that. All right. The masses are massive. Yeah, I could say something else, but I'm not going to say that. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I know. It's real attractive, huh? Especially when I make that face. Whoa! I feel something coming. I feel something really big. Do not make any jokes! Ah! Crap, I drooled on myself again! Oh, it's not where you drool. Okay. This is not the place to drool. There's a time and a place to drool. Just so you know. It says the weirdo up there. No. Shut up. Oh, he got knocked. You, says the dog looking at the girl that got hit with a bag. Whoa, the heavy bag knocked you the out. I just watched a video of this girl punching the speed bag, and it went, and she's like on the ground, like, and her dog's like, "You got knocked up. Are you okay? You got knocked up. Ah!" Anyway, oh, I should show you, but I would show you, but it's just not gonna happen. I can't. It's on the Street Beefs. I saw it on Street Beefs on Facebook, which I look at all the time when I'm on Facebook. I shouldn't be on Facebook, but here I am on Facebook again, scrolling through Facebook. Memes. Me. No, it's not all about you. Get it in your head. It's all about loving yourself so you can serve others. Yeah, right? And make money while doing it. Make money while doing what you love. Manifest. Write down your goals. Dude, I'm shivering. write down your goals, and then write down your goals. Write down your goals and write down your affirmations. That's what you gotta do. Why am I so cold right now? It's because I drink all this sparkling water. It's really cold.
Yeah, dude.
Anyway, what are you gonna say when I tell your fate is not in?
Your fate is not a fate. It's a fate.
Ooh. Ooh. Okay, I gotta stop. I did too much. All right, y'all. I love you. Take care. I gotta take a rest.